On this week's edition of Sounds of the Week, presented by Unibet Online Games and Casino, you'll see Avonte Maddox mic'd up against the Seattle Seahawks.
Hey, watch the motion in. Watch the motion in. Hey, 16 coming across.
10 games down and 6 to go. And each week, the stakes grow higher and higher. Good afternoon, everyone. Merrill Reese and Mike Quick at Lincoln Financial Field as the 5-5 Eagles meet the 8-2 Seattle Seahawks.
The defense immediately went to work on the Seahawks offense en route to a 6-sack performance.
Wilson in the gun. He's back. He's looking. He is hit. He is sacked back at the 15. That's the way to play Russell Wilson.
Fletcher Cox and Josh Sweat welcomed Russell Wilson to Lincoln Financial Field, while the Eagles offense welcomed a few familiar faces to the playing field.
Wentz gives to Ajayi. He's got the first down and more on his first official Eagles carry of this season. He cracks across the 30 and takes it to the 28. He's picked up 6 yards. Wentz takes it to a long count, takes the snap, he fakes, he looks, he fires. It is complete for a first down. He's got Greg Ward for a first down.
Ward, they can't check you.
Boy, G, boy, I'm proud of that boy.
Me
man.
too, bro. He worked hard.
Hey, man, out there converted.
He worked hard.
Hard, boy.
The Eagles stalled at the Seahawks' 10-yard line, and Jake Elliott put the first points on the board for Philadelphia. But the tide quickly turned.
Quick pitch to Carson, who comes back to Wilson, who loads up. Flea flicker going deep, and it is caught for a touchdown all the way down by Malik Turner.
The Seahawks would add a field goal and go into halftime leading the Eagles by 7. With Philadelphia's offense struggling to move the ball, their defense made a bid to change the momentum.
It is 3rd and 25 for the Seahawks.
Hey, watch the motion in. Watch the motion in. Hey, 16 coming across.
Wilson in the gun. This would be a great time to pick him off if they could. Takes a high snap. He backs up. He pumps. He looks. He fires. And it is intercepted. Intercepted. It's McLeod. McLeod running with the football. He laterals it and running with the football now. And finally being pushed out of bounds is Avonte Maddox. What a time to pick him off.
But the Eagles couldn't capitalize. The Seahawks added another touchdown, and with seconds remaining, Philadelphia finally crossed the goal line.
Wentz takes the snap. He's looking. He fires. Complete. Touchdown. He's got Ertz.
Time was short, but the Eagles could still win the day with an onside kick recovery.
All right, here we go. Jake Elliott to attempt an onside kick. 20 seconds left. If they recover it, they'll have time for 2 Hail Marys. Let's see how they do it. Do they bang it off one of the up men or loop it behind the first wave? They bang it hard, and it is fielded by the Seahawks very easily by Jacob Hollister, and that will do it.